Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Trust. Today, I want to talk about the basic input and the output in Java. Okay, so if you're coming from C, you are quite aware that for input and output, we need the printf as well as the scanf. Okay, if you're coming from C++, you know that for input and output, you need C out and C in. So in Java now, things are a bit different. For us to deal with that concept, you need to do a couple of things. You need to instantiate a state class that you will use to capture information from the keyboard. So the easiest package that we are going to be talking about is the scanner class. So let us import it. To import, you just go just below your package. Then you say import, then Java, you type Java dot. The scanner class is part of the utilities packages. So you say java.util.scanner. You see, this is where the scanner class is. So this scanner class here, after importing it, you do need now to instantiate a scanner class. How do you instantiate a scanner class? Instantiation is now the process of creating an object of that class. So to create a scanner class, you need the keyword the scanner, then you create your variable is assigned to new system equal to new system.in. Right. So this is how you instantiate. This is how you instantiate. Okay. Right. So seems there is an error somewhere. Yes, there is an error there saying identify expected. So we omitted something here. You say is equal to new scanner, right? In brackets, system.in. Okay, right. So this is the process of instantiation. So to instantiate, you call the class name, then you create the object name is assigned to new, then again you call the class name, this time passing some parameters there. So this one you'll be calling a constructor of that class. Okay, so this is how you create the scanner object. So with this scanner object now, we can capture something that we want to capture from the keyboard. So let us go ahead and declare a variable, maybe first number. Right, this is how you declare a variable. So this is an integer declaration there. Right, then we want a user now to know what is happening. So we need system.out.print. The print method, it comes in various forms. We have printf, print line, and print. All these, they just work, but they have some differences here and there. Right, so the print line will cause a cursor after giving us the output to move to the next line. So you say enter any number. Okay, right. So the user now will see this text here on the output, enter any number. Then for us now to accept that number, you now need now to, let me just do something that is proper here. Let me just remove this here and put it there so that our code does possess some logic. Okay, so that our code does possess some logic. Right, enter any number. Then we now want to put the number now in our variable that we have created. So we say SC, which is our object variable, is assigned to next. Sorry for that. The variable that we created here is called first number. This is the variable that we created. So we say first number, because this is where we want to put our any number that the user would have typed. So you say first number is assigned to SC dot next int. So we now use our object SC that we created to capture something from the keyboard and store it in the variable that we declared earlier on there. Then with that now, you can now display. You can now display again using the system.out system.out.println system.out.println you entered, right? You entered plus. We want to join these things. Now this is how you join plus, then first number plus first number, right? One thing that you need to understand when you are typing variables in Java, they must match exactly those characters that you are using, right? Uppercase is different from a lowercase, so make sure you just do it just like what I've just done here. Then after this, you need to run it and see the output. So let's wait a bit for the output to just pop up. Okay, so there we are. It's now saying enter a number. I just enter a 55. Then I press enter. So the response there will say you entered a 55. So that's it, guys. This is the cout. This is the input and the output stream in Java. This is how you input and output information in Java. So see you in the next lecture.